Hello everyone, my name is Lucky Osamudame and I will be introducing you to what it means to be a squared financial client. I want you to understand that Squared Financial is an award-winning brokerage firm, multiple award, well-regulated and licensed. So if you go to the Squared Financial website, you'll be able to find, you know, our awards here, or you can just come to Google. These are our awards. Best broker in order execution 2025. If you come to Google and you just search trading platform of the year, just type in trading platform of the year, you will see Squared Financial. This is Google now. This is not the website. Squared Financial was named Forex Trading Platform of the Year at 2025 Buffy Awards. And if you scroll down, you get to see The Guardian. These are reputable broadcasting firms in Nigeria. So you get to see Daily Trust, you get to see Disney Live, all these published these reports when we won the award 2025 in October last year. Now, being a client of Square Financial opened doors of opportunities to any client, be it experienced client or client that are just starting novice. We have a lot of novice that have come in. They came in on board with zero experience and now they are professional traders. Now, if you come into Square Financial, there are different cadres, there are different levels. Now, for clients that are funding their accounts with anything above $5,000 or $5,000 and above, you get access to the VIP level. Now, all these things you see here are free of charge. Calls, trading materials, access to our VIP trading community, daily market review, a live trade room every day, Mondays to Fridays, and even a Sunday 8 p.m. class. Now, you also get access to the Squared AI, 8 These are some of our smart trading solutions. And also, you get access to the R&B trading channel. Now, aside from all this, there is a very important platform you also get access to, which is the seasonality cheat trading platform or trading room. You understand? You get to understand how to trade some certain types of commodities, and I'm talking about like agricultural products, metals like gold, silver, palladium, agricultural products like corn, wheat, and the rest of them. And you always find yourself at the right side of the market when you work with experienced people in this platform. Let me quickly show you what I mean. An example of this is if somebody comes to you now and just tell you that, there is a possibility that the flight uh, fare might increase. Let's say flight fare might increase by December. This is usually true because at that time it's a festive where a lot of people are traveling, are moving, and all that. You want to argue, right? So this is not luck, right? It is backed up by seasonality concepts. An example of all these things that I just mentioned now is things like this. For instance, this is country and this is a client's account. This is a client account making 10,000. This was announced during our conference, a trade room. $10,449 on just 3 trades on a single commodity. This client was trading corn. At that time, there is harvest, and it is most likely seasonally that at that time there will be a supply in the market, and this client took advantage of it. We also have one that we recently shared. This was just weeks ago. We informed people to join the trade room that there will be this. So only people that are in that community or that platform got access to it. This is it, as you can see. This is another client with 10 standard lot making 10,400 on copper. This was shared. I shared this to a lot of people because we just decided to make this open. Normally, only VIP clients get access to this, and there is many more. There is season to trade oil, there's a season to trade gold, usually during October, Diwali festival and all that. There's a season, there's a particular time you trade all these assets. That's why we call it the cheat code. It's a cheat code to becoming, you know, increasing your financial level, you understand, increasing your wealth. And you only get access to this sets of trading when you are a VIP client. That's what VIP gives you access to. Now, if you cannot afford VIP, there's another level for you. And also, yes, VIP also gives you opportunity to one-on-one trade. When I mean one-on-one trading, I mean you get tutorials like, education from a professional trader with 15 years experience, something like this, one-on-one, where you are not, surrounded by crowd asking questions and all. Some people thrive better, assimilate better when they do one-on-one. And if you cannot do physical one-on-one, there's also online one-on-one. We would arrange this and schedule a time that will fit or work with you best. So aside from all this, we also have another level. It's called the elite level. Now, for this level, or we call them the premium level. Now, this level, all these things I'm mentioning, they are free of charge. You get everything. You get the smart trading solutions. You get some of the R&B, Squared AI, and other things, but you will not get the access to the VIP platform where you get those trade calls, those seasonality trade calls, the cheat code. You won't get access to also one-on-one, but you get access to things that will still keep you, you know, help you scale up in the market, make potential profits, just like this. You get R&B. I'm going to say something about this R&B. R&B is a proprietary trading software. It is peculiar to Square Financial. We designed it, and it has done massive results for people. Massive results since when it came. We've had R&B 0.1, R&B 2.0, R&B 2.1. We currently have R&B 2.2, and that is doing a wonderful job. It will be launched at our upcoming conference this March, and you get to see some of the results. These are some of the results. Look at the profit this person is making with a balance of $2,382, currently running at $9,269. This R&B, if you have, and you don't have to be trading with all this money directly, right? You can have them so you can have access to all these things, to all these opportunities. You can still have these things and you do things like social trading. Social trading, one of the best social traders on the Squared Financial social trading platform. It is available to everybody to see. Is this one? We have clients that have over $100,000, $50,000, millions using this particular one, Alien Bots, because it's been there for over 3 years without giving investors, any form of headache or panic. You understand? The rest of them do come and go. This one now has been there for 119 days. It's doing well. It's also trying. There are some of them that come for some couple of days and then we don't see them again, because this shows their result as it is. If they are not doing well, it will show you that they are not doing well. Like today, 0.5% were made by this 0.2.5. This one didn't trade today. The ones that are making losses will also show you that are making losses. You take them down like this. If you want to see more of their record, you click on profile. For instance, this one, you can click on the profile. You get to see what it has done. If you go back, if you click on this particular one I spoke about, you get to see what it does month in, month out. This is Alien Bot, and this Alien Bot does, has been doing well. It doesn't make so much ROI. However, if you want a very good ROI, you need to just increase your capital. You understand? Look at the average return monthly is 5.86%. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. For anybody that's in investment savvy, you understand investment, you'll find out that your banks and all those things, where you have those some investment like that are low risks, just like this, will not give you this kind of return. So it could even do more than this in a month. Say, for instance, what I'm trying to say is February 2025, it did 25%. So it could even be more than that, right? It could be more than that, 5%, 4%, it could even be lower than that. So it's very good, no headache. There are people that have built business around this. They bring in their clients, massive clients, bankers, and the rest of them, and they, at the end of the month, they take home amazing, attractive rebates. Talking about thousands of dollars, 15,000, 30,000, $20,000. Talking about people earning serious cold cash in business even without trading. So the social trading works like automation. You don't need to do anything. You can put it on your watch list, right? This one, you can put it on your watch list. This one too, you can put on your watch list. But the entry for this is 2,000. So I'm introducing this because of what I mentioned, which is this $2,000. So with this, or even with your 5,000 or whatever amount you're funding, you can get access to this, right? Without having a headache. And if you are, if you fund 5,000 and you are doing, social trading like alien bots, right? You will still get access to all the one-on-one classes and all this. It will help you learn better. It will help you learn faster, right? It doesn't replace the training you've already had before, the one you are having going currently. But what it does is helps you learn faster. It gives you that one-on-one mentorship session that a lot of people will not find. And for you to get this anywhere, you have to pay. Minimum is $1,000. One-on-one mentorship anywhere, minimum is 1,000. But when you have people guiding you, someone that will stay by you, like a driver teaching someone how to drive, telling you to press this, click here, directing you like hand in glove, not hand in hand now, hand in glove. You understand? Directing you on every step that you need to take. So that is that about that. And next level, I think, is 500 USD for everybody with this in their trading account. You get access to every other thing, excluding the R&B, the one-on-one mentorship, the seasonality cheat code. You don't have access to that, but you have access to the Squared AI. The Squared AI is also an amazing tool. You have access to the trade room. This is the trade room. Every morning it comes for live trade sessions where you get, analysis, and you can ask questions, right? Not just analysis, you can ask questions. This is what they did today. You can see massive turnout, massive results. You ask questions, you have access to intermediate trading room where you learn. You also have access to the Squared beginners class. There's a timetable for these classes. And then the Squared AI. Now the Squared AI basically helps you to understand what you need to do as a trader. You can ask questions. If you have if you have 500 line in your trading account, it appears at this level here, the middle side of this pin in your trading account. So if you have that, you can also take advantage of that. Ask any question. All you need to do is ask, put screenshots, whatever. It tells you where the market is going to. You understand? It tells you what you do. Take a screenshot of whatever you want to do, put it there, it gives you market direction, analyze, and then it tells you what to do. Like for instance, this is a screenshot that was posted and it's telling you to enter price here, stop loss here, take profit. This is also an amazing tool for your money. And I want you to note this: you are not paying for anything. You are not paying for any of all these services. They all come free of charge. The VIP clients, the premium clients, and even these clients, all free of charge. So those are the amazing things that we have Squared Financial. Do not forget, put them in your watch list, get access to them today because they might not be available tomorrow. And come tomorrow and we'll start charging money for all these things. All right, guys, if you have any questions, reach out to me. You can message me. My number is there to assist you every time. Bye.